ISPF primary option menu, you can see that this is the screen name at the down, and you can see a star here. So it means that this screen is active now. If I want to change the screen name, I can just give the command scrname screen name, and I just want to name this particular screen to S1. So I'll just rename it to S1. You can give it S2, S3, S4, whatever you like. I'll give S1 now. And you can see that I have changed this to S1. Now, to open any particular option here, I'll just give the option present in front of that. For example, to open utilities, I'll just give 3. So here you can see that it has come to utility section panel. And suppose I want to see a particular data set. So I'll just give option 4. 4 is used to display the data set. So I'll just give 4 here. And suppose I want to list all the data set which starts with user ID matekS. So I'll just give here matekS dot star, give enter. So all the files which starts with matekS is listed here. Now just give F8, come down and just give V here to view the file. And for example, I want to view this file. I'll just give V. You can also give E here to edit, and you can also give B to browse. So at this point, let's give V to view the file. I'll just give V. I'll just give here RES to reset. So this particular warning will not be appearing here. So I'll just give reset here. And you can see that this is the content of the file. Just give F8 in your keyboard to come down. You can still give F8 to come down further, and to come down at the bottom you can give F8 in your keyboard. So you can see that now we have come to the bottom. This is the last record here, and we have come at the bottom of the file. Now to go further up, you can give F7 in your keyboard. So let's give F7. You can see that it has come now to this particular line. Now again you give F7. You can see that again we have come to this particular line. And if you want to move at the top, you can give M and then F7 in your keyboard. So you can see that we have come at the top. Right? So these are the basic commands I just wanted to tell you, because if we don't know these basic commands, it will be difficult for us to continue further. So please keep in mind that F7 is to go further up and F8 is to go further down. And if you want to go at the bottom, you can give M F8. And if you want to go at the top, you can give M F7. Also note that you can also give the command top and bottom. For example, you are here at the top, so you can just give here bottom. So it brings you to the bottom of the file. And now if you are at the bottom of the file and you want to go at the top of the file, you just have to give here top. So you come at the top of the file. Now let's come back by giving F3. Now this time we just want to browse the file, for example. So I want to browse this file, for example. So I'll just give B here and give enter. You can see that this has opened the file in browse mode. Okay. And the benefit of opening the file in browse mode is you are not holding a file. Now let's come back again, give F3, and suppose you want to edit this file. You can give E here to edit the file, and just give RES for reset so that these particular warnings and cautions will not appear. And you can just edit this file also. So just try to add something like ... here and just try to save it by giving command save. And you can see that member sort is saved. So this is how we can use edit. Now just come back again by giving F3 and again come back here. I just wanted to show you select. So let's go back again to the file. So I'll open this PDF by giving command E. You can give either V or B also. And this time I will just select this file. So you can also give command S, give enter. So by giving command S, you have just selected this file. Alright, so just come back by giving F3. Now sometimes what happens is you don't want to give multiple times F3 and you want to come back to ISPF primary option menu again. So what you can do is, let's see, you were in 3 and then in 4 and you gave this particular qualifier and we were present in this particular library, that is makeCase.joblib, right? Now I just want to switch to ISPF primary option menu. What I can do is from here itself directly I'll just give start. So what it will do is it will start a new session for me. So, and you can see that this is a new ISPF primary menu session. If you just give F4 in your keyboard, you can swap. So I'll just give F4 here and I can come to this particular screen. And again, if I want to go to the ISPF primary option menu, I'll just give F4. So it will come to this particular screen. Now, please note that for checking all your keys, you can just come here and you can see the value of your keys. For example, for swap, I have set as F4 and most of the time for swap, it will be F9. So go to keys here and just give enter, and here you can change the value of the keys also. For example, F4 is for swap now. I can go to F9 and here I can give swap. And I'll just come here and then I'll just save it by selecting option 2. So in this section we learned about F7. F7 is used to go one step up. Then we saw how we can use F7 to go to the top. Then we saw instead of F7 we can use the command top, right? Then we saw F8. F8 used to go one step further down. Then we saw F8 to go at the bottom of the file, and then we saw how we can use the command bottom to go to the bottom of the file. Then we saw V is used to view the file. Then we saw B is used to browse the file. And then we saw E is used to edit the file. And at the end, we saw how we can use start command to go to the next screen. So this marks the end of this section.